Hi there, I'm Jeanette, and I'm a Zenfolio Pro. I will be going over the Digital Image Resolution Guide. To view your gallery's download settings, click on the gallery's icon on the left side of the screen. Then select a gallery. Then you can select Settings. Then select Digital Downloads. Here you can scroll down and you can view the resolutions that you can choose. Once you are viewing your digital download settings and downloading is on, you can scroll down where you can view the photo download resolution options. Your choices are original resolution, high resolution, medium resolution, low resolution, and also lower resolution for web sharing. You may wish to offer your original resolution file for download, which will allow your clients to share and use the largest possible resolution for your particular image. Now, keep in mind that if you offer a lower resolution, it will impact the size available for your clients to download. Please refer to this guide, which is part of the Digital Resolution Guidelines Support Guide. This guide shows how image resolution relates to sizes available for printing. As always, reach out with any questions or if you need help along the way by chatting in or emailing us at support@zenfolio.com.